I'm Victoria Karstens, and I'm an arborist. Today I want to prevent falling branches from hitting anybody. So the challenge for today is getting rid of all this dead wood. Usually I would do this with my handsaw, but I got this new tool right here, the GTA 40. It is the first of its kind certified for aerial work. If this saw lives up to its promise, it would also be really good to use for groundwork. But right now I'm just really curious to see how it will perform here. With the GTA 40, you can cut both up and down. Using such a powerful yet compact battery-driven tool is really neat for this kind of work. And I also think this saw would be really good for shrubs and hedges. I also think it would be a really good universal tool to use in the woodworking industry. But what do you think? Would you use this tool for this kind of work, and would you consider getting one of these? Let us know in the comments.